Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you best driving test route at Service NSW Wetherill Park, New South Wales. So let's see what challenges you will have on this route, and good luck for your road test. So I will show you what all challenges you have in this area, and biggest challenge is the T-way, and you have to be very careful about that road and don't do mistake, otherwise you will be immediately fail. And there will be other challenges I will be showing you. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And I'm sure if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route for 3 times, you will get the driving license in one go. So let's start driving. And this is Service NSW Wetherill Park. So we are going out. You have to be very careful, drive slowly, and as a lot of activities during the daytime, so pedestrian may be there, so you have to be very careful. And now take left. This is a left only, so you have to give way to the traffic on the right, so don't rush. And street will be very busy during the daytime, so don't get nervous. So straight from this traffic light. So speed limit is 60 here, and this is the industrial area, so there may be trucks or other vehicles, so you don't get nervous. So keep straight. Victoria Street, you have to turn right. As you can see, this is the double lane, so don't cross on the other side as you will be immediately fail. So you have to turn right here. So turn right here, and speed limit is 60 here. So if you see, the left one lane is a bus lane, so don't drive on that lane. So keep driving straight. So this is Victoria Street, and speed limit is 60 here. So if you see here, the 60 and bus lane is a left lane, so don't drive in that lane. So if you are giving test in Wetherill Park, the biggest challenge is the lot of T-way and bus lane. You have to be very careful, because those lanes are not for you, so you don't drive on that lane, otherwise it will be immediate fail. So this is the school zone here, and check the school zone timing. It is 40 km during 8 to 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 to 4 p.m. So if you are giving test during that time, so school zone limit will apply and you have to be at 40. So from the roundabout, we will be turning right on Wetherill Street, and you have to give way to the traffic on the roundabout from your right side, and plus the traffic coming from the front. Okay, so this is a give way sign. Take right here. So the speed limit on this road is 50 km. All the internal roads have a speed limit of 50 km unless otherwise stated. So keep straight from this traffic light. So this will be the busy road. Now it is a green signal and we can go straight. So he may ask you to change the lane, check the over the shoulder and the other mirrors, change the lane and take left on the Neville Street here. So you may be asked to do the curbside park here. It is a quiet street, so we will do curbside parking here. So give the left indicator again, check the shoulder and all the mirrors, and you do curbside park here. And you put up the parking and then pull the handbrake and just tell the instructor that you have parked. So he will tell you that okay, fine, we can go now. So let's go now. Check the signal and traffic from the behind and give the indicator. So this is a quiet street and speed limit is 50 here, and go straight from the roundabout. Give way on the roundabout and take left on Dublin Street. And take left on Kazanda Avenue. So again, this is a quiet street. On these kind of quiet street, you may be asked to do the reverse side parking. This is Kazanda Avenue. We will do reverse parking here. Give the left indicator, check all your mirrors, and don't get nervous because reverse parking is always a bit difficult for the new drivers. So check your mirrors and very slowly, don't get fast here. Do the reverse parking, check all your mirrors, and then tell the instructor that you have parked. So the golden rule is you must be able to see the wheels of the front car, and tell the instructor that you have parked. So he will tell you that okay, let's go. So now check your mirrors, give the right indicators and check over the shoulder, and then start driving. And then again you will be asked to do the 3-point turn here. So we will be doing 3-point turn. Give the right indicator, check all your mirrors, and give the left indicator. Do the reverse, check all your mirrors and stop and drive now. Give the right indicator and then we will go back. Okay, so that was 3-point turn. Okay, so now right here on Dublin Street. Check the traffic on both sides. And take right on Neville Street. Keep going straight. Speed limit is 50 km. So from this traffic roundabout we will take left and left to the Gibbs Street. Check the traffic, give way to the traffic. Another learner doing some practice, and 50 km speed zone here. So most of the driving instructor give the practice lesson on this route. So take right on this roundabout on Brennan Street. Keep going straight, and there is a double line in the middle. You don't have to cross this line, otherwise you will be immediately fail. And there is a car parked on the left side. This is not the driving lane. Don't drive on that lane also. So now we will take left on the Wetherill Street. Again, it is a busy street, bit of challenge. Check the traffic on your right. When there is no traffic, then you can turn left. So we will go straight from these lights. Again, there will be a school zone, and you have to remember the time limit. There will be a flashing light if it is a school zone. Between 8 to 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 to 4 p.m. there's a school zone limit apply. You have to drive at 40 km. So after this light we have to turn right. So we will take right here, and we will take right on Du Maurier Place. And this is again a very quiet street. So sometimes these kind of streets are used for your practice for 3-point turn, reverse side or curbside parking. So let's go for another curbside parking after this car. It will be one time only you will be asked, but I am just doing as a practice so that you also do some of the practice. Your wheel should not touch the curb, so, and it should not be out on the road, so it should be on the curb, and it should be properly parked. Okay, so when you parked, pull the handbrake and tell the instructor that you have parked. So now we can drive. Give the right indicator, check the traffic, and let's go. So now take left here on Wetherill Street, and again school zone speed limit will apply. Check the traffic on the right side. If there is no school zone, then it is a 60 km limit. So you may be asked to do the change of lane here. So change the lane, check all your mirrors and over the shoulder check, and take left on the Horsley Drive. Again, don't stop on this pedestrian crossing. So don't stop here, and check the traffic on the right side. When there is no traffic, then you can drive. Otherwise, you don't wait by stopping at the pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing should always be free, otherwise it will be a demerit point and you may be failed in the test. Keep going straight, and speed limit is 60 here. For any lane changing, the instructor will give you suitable time, like at least 200-300 meter before you have to change the lane. He will not say you immediately that you change the lane. So keep going straight. So we are following Elizabeth Street and speed limit is 60. So from the traffic light we will go straight. Understanding the instructor's language is also very important, because they will be saying something like straight from the second set of lights, something like that. You have to be very careful and understand them properly. So now speed limit is 70 here. You can drive between 60 to 70, that will be okay, but if you drive 50, it will be caused a problem and it will be an issue for failing you in the test. So take right here. So we will be taking right on the Elizabeth Street. On this traffic light there is always a green right arrow, so when there is a green right arrow, only then you have to proceed. So drive in the left lane here, because we are close to the service NSW office. So we are back after this test. I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please practice on this route for at least 5 or 6 times, and then hopefully you will get the test in one go. I hope you like my video. Please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a different road test videos for different service NSW centers, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and good luck for your exam. Thank you.